Hi everyone, we're here at the San Diego Zoo today for the 4th of July weekend. We decided to come check it out. They're definitely being strict with the masks and the maintaining 6 feet apart from everyone, but it's actually open. One of the few counties in California that's actually open, so it should be a nice fun day to check out.
Excited? Are you ready for a day to see animals?
This is going to be his first time. Well, this is his second time here.
The first time he was just a few months old, so he's going to actually recognize things, so we're excited.
So this should be fun. We're about to go see the giraffes, which is his favorite.
You want to go?
I don't think he realized how big giraffes are, so we're going to go see if he can get his reaction. It's a pretty big park. It's actually, it looks like it's like, you got Panda Track, you got like Asia Passage, you got Africa area, you got the down back area, urban jungle. So everything's kind of just split up by continents, which is kind of cool. And so they have these signs all over the park too of how to properly wear your face mask, because I know that I've seen a nose out very often. So just a reminder, you should cover your whole mouth. It's not a shin guard, it's not a mouth guard. It's a face mask. It's not a chin guard, it's a...
This is a mask worn properly. There's no one around me, so I'm going to say, this is a chin guard. Don't wear it like that. Like this. Proper. Don't touch your face, just the front of the mask.
One thing that I want to point out, if you've never been to the San Diego Zoo, is that the foliage here is beautiful. It's like its own botanical gardens, really. And like we have like everything that's like native to certain places. So we have Africa, we have Hawaiian gardens here. We haven't even gotten to the animals yet. So right now we're entering the outback, the Australian outback. See what they have. See if we can see some roos and some koalas and some wallabies. I have like a little aviary area here. These are birds native to Australia here. I appreciate that it's on an actual boomerang there. And here we have the kookaburra. This is the coolest sounding bird ever. I just don't think I'll be able to get him to actually go, but I love how kookaburras sound. Right there's a kookaburra. And if you've never heard a laughing kookaburra, it's the funniest thing ever. Yeah, it's not that crowded today though. Look, it's there's definitely a place for you to like get away from people. That's what I like about this zoo. So this is one of the reasons why we've been wanting to come here so much. Lucas has
seen a real giraffe.
He has a
First time seeing a real one.
He has a little teddy bear. That's his favorite little teddy bear. His little giraffe. We call him Jeffrey. So, look, Lucas. Look at these guys.
What is that?
It's a giant Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah, what is that? Good morning. Hi. Good morning.
What is that, Lucas? Is that your favorite?
Look at Lucas. He is amazed right now. He has no idea what he's seeing right now. Yeah.
Those are real.
You didn't think they were that big, did you? Yeah. Isn't that cool? He's a big boy. Giraffe, yeah.
Maybe one over there. Yeah. How you
We just noticed. Oh, wait.
So it's Saba, Fred, Nikki, Harriet, and Dumibella. Damabella.
So they said that there are 3 generations of giraffes here.
So I'm guessing they've grown here, they were raised here? Is that what that means?
I don't know, it's just they have 3 generations of them here.
Huh. Okay.
This is a scavenger hunt.
Oh, it's a scavenger hunt. That's cool.
Leaving species scavenger hunt. Scan the code.
Huh. We might just try that out. Apparently they have like a little game that you could play on your phone while you're going along, so we might check that out.
That's cool, you could win Alaska Airline miles.
Okay, let's do that. And we have flamingos. Can you see it?
I think so. It's cool.
Can you see them? Andean, American, Chilean, lesser flamingos, greater flamingos, and Puna flamingos. Who knew they come in so many sizes? This guy's just chilling there. He's a southern ground hornbill. I don't know, he just looks a little depressed. What's wrong, buddy? A little hungover? Yeah, you had too much to drink last night, didn't you, buddy? I know the feeling. Just lay your head, man. It's cool. Just take a nap. It's alright. It's cool. Look at this big old rhino right here. It's a big guy right there. Kind of chilling there. So it's just a sleeping kangaroo there. So this is where they would do the Animals in Action show, it looks like, but because of COVID, obviously they're not doing that as well. So we're gonna have to skip any of the shows today. They're not running the tram today. They're not doing any shows, and they're not running the gondola. So anything that you would be sharing with other people, they're not doing today. It's pretty much free roam. Look around the zoo, but you can't ride anything. They do have private tours today though, so I have seen those kind of go around. People are getting little private tours kind of going through the park with them, but again, they're having everyone sanitize their hands and 6 feet away from each other and all that. But yeah, this would have been the entrance to one of the shows here. Unfortunately, we can't do that today. So these are the ones they're doing is these little tours, but it looks like they're doing like 1 bus per family. So that's kind of cool, a little extra price, but it's kind of cool. So there we got a little koala area there. The other one there, you can't really see it though. It's too dark here for you to see them. Look at those mandrills. Look, you see that little baby one up there? Baboon, yeah. It's actually, yeah, it's a baboon.
Here, you want to walk this way?
But they are
So this is pretty much a glass enclosure to all these baboons.
Look at, there's 2 baby monkeys. Look it to the left, Robert.
Oh wow. Oh whoa. This guy came and said hi.
Just getting here. There's room at the front. We've got the lights on the back up so you can see.
Are you getting the baby?
Yeah. He's behind the thing right now, but yeah.
There's two of them. That's because of it in there.
Do you see the baby?
Cat.
You saw the baby, Lucas? Yeah, it's a cat.
They came on a good day. Apparently she had cubs.
Aw. What is that?
Mama, come on. Let's not block the way. So again, all the shows are closed. This would be the animal encounter show here, but because of the whole COVID thing, I think all shows are closed for today. What's cool though is they have these cool little hand washing stations all over the park, so you could actually wash your hands everywhere without having to actually touching everything. But the park, it's crowded. It's not that bad. There's definitely space for you to kind of just chill and relax. There's definitely people here, but even on a busy day, I've always felt that this park has been so big that you can actually kind of just walk around and keep your space between people. So it's nice. If you've never been here before, they got this really cool like canopy over there that you can actually go on top and check it out. So it's actually a walkway that goes over the whole park. And in the background you can see that tower. That's part of the Balboa Park. I was going to say exposition. Balboa Park, which is where I asked this beautiful lady to marry me actually. So we have definitely a history here. Here we are, a happy little family back at where it all started again. So apparently there's penguins in Africa? Yeah, this is Africa Rocks. Yeah, so yeah, these are African penguins. I'm guessing they're not like cold penguins. I'm guessing they just like to chill in the water and stuff, but that's kind of interesting. That water looks so nice. Oh, look at this guy right here. There's like 3 little guys right there just chilling. Oh, cool, look, over there you can see them. Yeah.
Yeah, look at this movie.
So if you ever wanted to see a penguin fly, that's the closest you'll see a penguin flying right there. They're so graceful. And so the exhibits do have the please maintain your distance. It also has these interesting ones. I've never seen these before, but it says high touch area. So just letting you know that a lot of people are touching that. It's not necessarily saying that it's not. Oh look, he came and said bye. Look, look. Look, Lucas. He came and said hello. So yeah, before I got interrupted by the penguin, yeah, we have these high touch stickers.
So that's really neat because a lot of kids will run up and put their hands directly on the glass. So that kind of gives parents a warning, like, hey, a lot of kids do that. So it's a high touch area.
It's cool how they like actually simulate the waves. I see like high pressure water coming through there. Simulate the waves for these penguins in there. We had a really cool view of them and then, oh, there he goes. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, over here.
Over here.
So how cool is this? So this is the underneath of the exhibit with the penguins. Look at that. How cool is that? They're just like swimming. That's really neat. We got like sharks in here. So here we are waiting for the elevator to go up this huge canopy thing here. We're gonna go up there and it looks like it's closed off up there, so get some shade, maybe some breeze if we go up there. But it looks, again, you know, 6 feet apart. The lovely attendant is pushing the tickets, the buttons for us. That's really nice of her. And yeah, they're just doing one family per elevator. Thank you.
There you go. Make sure you're facing that way. You'll be heading out that way.
All right, thank you. So now here we are at the top. Look how beautiful this. Really nice little area here. There's the bridge. And we're going to be crossing right there. We came to the Elephant Odyssey, which is where we came last time, but it's closed. That's lame. Why do we come here, you ask? This is a place where they sell micheladas and chamango snow cones. If you don't know what a chamango snow cone is, check this baby out. I'm just saying, if you want a refresher, this is the place. Unfortunately, it's closed, so we can't even get our michelada.
A lot of their little snack places like this are closed for the time being, but man, we were looking forward to that michelada.
Yeah, we put the kid to sleep, and we're like, we're gonna go have our little adult time and have a beer, but I guess we're not gonna we're gonna go look around. Hopefully we find another spot and we could get another drink somewhere else. This is the ground sloth. I believe there was a sloth that had a claw this big at one point. It's scary. Look at my hand. Look at the claw. There's a slow claw coming at you. So here they have a life-size model of a ground sloth. This is a ground sloth. Look how big this monster was. Hold on, wait there, babe. Yeah. And there is my wife next to the ground sloth. That's her next to the ground sloth for size. But look at that. So there is the king of the jungle. Simba. Remember Simba. Yeah, he's just chilling there, enjoying the sun. Like nobody's business. So
Look at he's right there. He's right there. Just get him.
there's a big old boy right there, yeah. He's just chilling
He's
there.
just chilling there.
So that's kind of cool.
Looking straight up too.
Apparently, these guys will spray you about 7 to 10 feet, so they will actually pee on you. You see her? She is like twice as big as the male that's out there. She's huge. Look at that. Sarami! So now we have, ooh, and she's looking at my boy. Don't look at him. He is not lunch. And she just woke up. And massive thing there. Look at her. Look at those paws right there. That's paw right there. That's insane. Okay, here we have some Macedon. They have like a prehistoric La Brea tar pit area here. And this is like a precursor to the elephants here. Here we have the elephant enclosure. Are these Indian elephants? Asian, African elephants. So they're both Asian and African elephants. And she's just walking away from here because she does not even want to look at these things. Alright. I'm a sucker for these things, so you know I'm gonna go in here and see what we have in here. And look at those cool looking beetles there. Whoa, look at these guys.
Oh, these are funny. The diamond beetle. Diamond beetle.
Look at these stick figures. Creepy. And now we gotta go look for the wifey because she is not interested at all in the bugs. Nope. No bugs for her. Hi, elephant. So that's Mary. So that's Debbie. That's probably Debbie. Yeah, that's Debbie.
Oh, this is the sanctuary.
Lucas,
Look, it's eating. It's coming.
do you see the elephants? That's so cool, huh?
Whoa, look at that. Or no?
This is another one here.
Say hi. Say hello. Look at that. He's saying hi. He's like,
He
I want
likes
to say
you.
hi.
There's a dinosaur.
Right here, Ollie. Right here, honey.
Yeah. Yeah. So cute. He's cute.
That's so interesting. Lucas!
Dee Dee's jumping in the bed too. Dee Dee, show him how to jump.
Jump, Lucas. Jump, jump, jump. Why don't you dance? Dance, Lucas. Dance for the bird.
They do sell their own little masks too. This one actually has a gorilla. This one is Save the Chubby Unicorns. And then this one is the San Diego Zoo one. So they're about $7.95 each. And they have the kids ones too.
What's up? Yeah. Can I give you this one?
And since it's a small shop, they are maintaining social distance by only allowing 5 people at a time.
These are all that we have right here. You might find more of a variety up at the exit at Zoo T. Okay. They might have a bit more variety. No problem. Thank you so much.
Oh,
for your
sorry.
patience. You got a sleeping tiger?
No, it's like you couldn't stand there. You were not sleeping.
Thank you. Look at the little San Diego Zoo pins.
I like that.
I like this one. Look at it. It's the elephants. The mom and the dad and the baby elephant.
Ooh, my head to that cool.
They put it in our pin collection.
That's like a brooch.
Walking stick pin.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think I've ever heard of those before. Look at those. Are cute little sloths. And they have the stuffed animals. Those are so cute with the little San Diego Zoo sweater on.
Okay, so we are opening a Pandora's box right now because we're about to give this kid a dib.
Some? Right? Right? Can you see his face? He totally... I washed my hands, by the way,
Yeah, that's
so
fine.
it's okay.
We're not supposed to feed the animals, but
Lucas, what do you think? Is that delicious? Is that delicious?
he's lost for words right now.
It's Mommy's favorite.
And you will continue.
He is lost for words right now. I have not seen him like this before.
You're probably not going to finish that.
Well, I haven't been there in a while.
It's like, what is he saying? They came from heaven? Yeah, they came from heaven. They taste like they came from heaven, huh? Hi. Hi there.
So we just wanted to point out the hand washing stations that they have. Really convenient. Everywhere you go you could find these, and they're just little pedal ones. 20 seconds and we're done. There's the camels back there.
Yeah, you're right. These are camels.
Hi.
Can you say llama?
Llama, yeah. Not mama, llama.
No, not mama, llama.
Close enough, huh?
Close enough.
What is that? What is it? Llama. Mama, okay. Close enough.
So here we have a map of the life in California prior in the prehistoric age
12,000 years ago to today.
versus the type of animals we have today in California. So I know this is a zoo and we should be focusing on animals, but I thought this tree was kind of interesting. It's called the mousetrap tree. Apparently its seed pods will get stuck on furry animals, and sometimes the animals will die because they can't get out.
There, what is that?
Bears! Look at the bear! Bear! Bear!
What is that, Lucas? Bear, yeah.
Bear, yeah. You see the bear? Look at that furry bear.
What is that called? You waving hi?
Hey bear. Hi bear. Hello bear. Look. You see the bear? Hi bear. Wow, bear. Look at that bear. Look at that big bear right there.
You see him?
Yeah.
Look at that big guy. What?
There he goes.
Look at that big guy.
You want to go?
If you can't tell, we're pooped by this time. We decided to get
Super hot outside. You can see we're all red from the heat. So we decided to go to one of the sit-down restaurants, Albert's. And it's the only sit-down restaurant they have here, right?
Yeah, I mean they have other fast food places, but this is the only one that it's actually, I think it's a served food, you have a waiter, and it looks pretty good. We ordered salads today because we're trying to watch our health, but we'll post a little bit more on what they have on the menu.
Okay, so we got the chicken Caesar salads, which looks like they're more like wedge salad with some chicken on it. And then for Lucas, he got some chicken tenders with some french fries. It all looks really good.
So we got this nasty looking boy right there. So camouflaged, you can't even see it barely. Look at the neck on this guy. That is a turtle. A snake-necked turtle. Look at this guy. Oh wow, look at that guy.
Did you see them? They're huge.
There's a crocodile there. That's why they say never smile at a crocodile. He smiles back.
So we actually found one of their baby care centers and first aid area, so we're going to take a look real quick. So their first aid area, you do have to knock and ask for someone to help, but their baby care, it's just a small little area. You could change diapers, there's a little hand wash station, maybe just take a minute. If you notice, it's really quiet in here. Take a minute away from everything. Okay, we're gonna enter the Reptile Walk. I'm a little bit I can't even talk, I'm so nervous. I'm a little bit hesitant to go in here.
She's not a fan of reptiles.
No way, shape, or form.
I, however, am.
Whoa. Colorado river toad. So that's the Chinese alligator. He's a little bit smaller. Look at that guy.
Look at that one.
See Lucas in the reflection? Look at Lucas, he's looking at you. Wow. Look at all those crocodiles.
Yeah, he's out. He's done.
This poor kid, we went all the way over here so he could see him, and
he's done.
fell asleep on us.
Good argument. Yeah, he's done.
He's
God,
so done.
Look at that big guy right there.
There's another one. He's hiding all the way in the back over there. He's enjoying some shade.
I haven't noticed this one right there.
He's right in front of us.
I didn't even notice that one there.
Look at that guy. He looks like he's part of the rocks.
I honestly probably confused it for a rock.
He's like part of the rocks. He's like, look guys, you're ignoring me.
This is actually, if I've ever wanted an animal, it's one of, like a lizard, it's a Cuban iguana. These iguanas are like dogs.
In what sense?
That they like being pet. They can play fetch, and they kind of kick their legs when you pet them.
Huh.
And they're about the size of a dog.
They're that big?
That's why I wanted to see them.
There he is. This is only the second sign I've seen for the scavenger hunt, by the way.
I've actually seen a couple.
You have?
Yeah,
okay.
I actually have.
We haven't been doing it. We forgot.
No, we haven't been, no. But I actually have seen a few. They're kind of sporadic, but yeah.
So throughout the zoo, they have these little kid areas for the kids to climb on the animals that's being shown around here. And all of them are actually closed right now, just to avoid more touching and social distancing. Right now is phase 1 of the opening of the zoo, so you could see the guided bus tours, the kangaroo bus, safari, aerial tram, the 4D theater, and the Wedgefort bull show are all closed for right now. This is actually the theater. So you could see they do some shows down there.
So this looks like it's going to be the expansion that they're doing to the children's area zoo here. This is where they would normally have the stage and the petting zoo. It looks like they're adding actually a lot of different little exhibits here. Not sure if it's going to combine with the reptile area over there. It looks like all of this here that we're looking at here is all construction.
And this is just the children's zoo part of it, so it's within the main zoo.
If you can see the cables, this is where the sky carts
Sky
are.
tram.
It takes you on the gondolas over. So from here on out it expands. It's actually a pretty big part of the zoo. It just looks like they're constructing over it. It looks pretty cool though. Little picnic area, a vertebrate building, desert dunes play area, rainforest animals, ambassador animals, reptiles building. So we're definitely looking forward to coming back and checking this place out. Hopefully with Lucas, and he could actually pet some of the animals and stuff like that.
So stay tuned. Maybe when they open it up, we'll come back and see what the children's zoo looks like. And hopefully things will be a little bit better with all of the closures and everything too. So they haven't said when this is going to start back up with construction or an estimated open date yet. So we are in the San Diego Zoo kids store. They have all sorts of stuffed animals. Buy some sunblock, some hand sanitizer. The store is actually pretty big. It doesn't look like it from the outside.
Yeah, it's pretty big, huh? These socks.
They're socks. They're cute. How cute. Look at those. Little giraffe socks.
I want to get them for him.
Look at, they even have the paw on the bottom. $6 for a pair of socks. That is so cute. It's a mini Explorer and it is $30, $29.95.
This kit here.
And you could get a little kit too for your little Explorer as well.
And actually the kit, you can tell it has a space for everything in the kit.
The kit is also $29.95. But that's really cute for a kid who's really loves the zoo and animals. Timon and Pumbaa! That's awesome. Safari Animal Truck Rescue. So it has 7 pieces, animals, and then the truck, and 2 rangers. I really like these little hats for the kids. Look at how cute that is. This really is the kids store because look at all of those stuffed animals. There's every single animal you could think of.
That's pretty cute right there.
Get the ears and the tail.
It reminds me of the little kid in Zootopia that wanted the elephant popsicles.
Oh, I don't remember that.
Transformers.
They're animal transformers?
Yeah, animal transformers.
Oh my gosh, how funny. The middle of the store has this bamboo and it brings in the light. It's so pretty. We're gonna go in the zoo. How many is it?
That's really cute,
So
actually.
here they have more stuff for grown-ups. That's really cute. The Boardwalk San Diego Zoo hat. It's a little trucker hat. They also have shirts. Platypus shirt.
I didn't see any platypus.
I didn't see them either. And then this is just their general logo, San Diego Zoo. You could find on everything. That tank top is really cute. So that one is, actually it's $19.95. I have a whole wall of cups.
Ornaments. You see the ornaments?
I really like these paintings. Those are so pretty. So colorful. It's a mug, but it's turned upside down. Look at this. Look at, so you actually drink this way.
Oh, hey.
That is so funny. I was like, what is it? There's another one. It's the hippo.
It's a chubby unicorn.
Look at how cute that is. And that's how you drink it, upside down. Yeah, Lucas, you see that? You see that? Who is that? He likes these. Someone's liking the music in here. He is feeling the music. I should just show his feet. This is why Lucas loves to dance all the time too.
We got the pop ones.
Oh yeah, the little pop sockets. They also have this wall of hats. So if it's just a little too sunny out here and you need something to cover your head, you could come in here and buy a hat. And they have these hats too, the baseball caps as well. This let's see. Oh, these are like paintings all done by dots. That is very time consuming, but look how beautiful they are. and the artist is Lori Sandstorm. So I didn't get to show this earlier, but right behind me right here is a little kiosk that is a self-serve kiosk, and you can purchase your tickets there, or if you buy them online you can pick them up there too. So we forgot to show that earlier, but just wanted to point that out. They also have actual people in the front where you could purchase the tickets as well.
You can definitely skip the line by using the kiosk though.
Yeah, we bought our tickets online and picked them up at the kiosk, and they just printed it out.
So we're calling it a day. They're finally closing the zoo here. We were here for the whole day. They closed at 6 p.m. so 8 to 6. It's been a long day. We're both very tired, and he doesn't look very tired. He just woke up, but yeah, he's pretty tired.
Yeah.
So thank you for joining us today.
So just a few things we wanted to mention as well is, if you are a Disneyland person, Disney World, they have fuel rod locations here. So those are the little rods that you could get the rechargeable batteries. They actually had stations here. So I'll put a little photo right there so you could see. But it's really cool. So you can use the same ones that you use at Disneyland. Other than that, we had a really good time. Everything was still pretty open. There was a couple things closed. Everyone tried to maintain their distance. The staff was really great, by the way. They were wiping tables down after you ate to let more people in. They were allowing certain people at a time in each individual store, so it wasn't overcrowded in the store as well. And if they noticed people who didn't have their masks on properly, they were telling them something. So that made us feel a lot more comfortable.
Okay, so thanks for joining us. You guys have a good day out there.
All right.